Let us go through this problem. Now, this is a non-homogeneous linear recurrence relation. Okay, because there is no an in here, an or n minus 1 here, so that purely this depends on n. So that is why. So this is non-homogeneous. So its general solution is nothing but anh plus anp. So that is why in place of 3n you take 0 and consider, that is called associated homogeneous part. That means an is equal to 2 into an minus 1. Replace an by r power n. You will get r power n is equal to 2 into r power n minus 1. Okay, after solving this you will get r is equal to 2. That means this is the characteristic equation. Its root is 1, 2. Only one root is there because it is of degree 1. So that a constant into 2 power n. This acts as homogeneous part. Now coming to A and P, particular solution, have a look at the term f of n, that is 3 power n. A term independent of n, that is 3 power n. Okay. If f of n is of the form 3 power n or 2 power n or 5 power n, have a look at this number. If this 3 is not a characteristic root, that means 3 is not equal to, okay, 3 is not seen in the characteristic roots. That is the case. You should take a constant into 3 power n. This is the process. Is it clear? I'm asking you, if f of n is equal to 3 power n, if 3 is not a characteristic root, you should take np is equal to some constant into 3 power n. Okay, you are free to choose the constant. It may be a also, no problem. You will get the same value. Some constant a into 3 power n. Sir, what will happen if this 3 is a characteristic root? If you find that the characteristic roots, you need to write extra into something n power s. Need to write number of repetition of the roots here, because 3 is repeated here 0 times. You need to write here n power 0 means 1. Suppose if 3 is a characteristic root of order 1, that means r is equal to 3. Here 3 power n is there. That means 3 appears here as 1. Then you need to write here n power 1. In addition, okay, in addition to that, suppose okay, 3 appears twice. What will happen? Okay, f of n is equal to 3 power n, and 3 appeared here 2 times. 3 appeared here 2 times mean, okay, 3 appeared here 2 times means what you need to write here. Okay, in the product you need to write here number of repetitions of the characteristic root, because this 3 power n, this is 3 power n, and 3 occurred here as a characteristic root of order 2 means you need to write here into n power 2. Otherwise what will happen? If 3 occurred twice, I need to take something like this, but I have taken something like this means okay, after okay, after replacing this in the entire non-homogeneous equation, you will get 0 is equal to 0. That means you don't find anything. Okay, even if you write a into 3 power n into n also, you don't find after replacing this there in that, you don't find anything. That means you will get 0 equal to 0 so and so. Okay, so that means you need to increase the value of n. Okay, the value of the power, so that is 2, because 3 appeared twice, you need to take here n power 2. Suppose because 3 appears here, there is 3 it is 3 power n, and there is no 3 in the absence of 3 here. You need to write a constant into 3 power n only. Okay, okay, so now what you need to do is you replace an by p into 3 power n in the entire recurrence relation. That means in place of an, p into 3 power n. In place of an minus 1, you need to write 2 into p into 3 power n minus 1 plus 3 power n is there. Just cancel 3 power n on both sides and simplify this. You will get the value of p as 3. So that means anp is equal to 3 into 3 power n. That means 3 power n plus 1 means you will get okay, anp value. Finally, the general solution is an is equal to anh plus anp. Okay, now this is the general solution. Have a look at the initial pulses, if any. There is no initial because this is a alpha. Okay, the initial value alpha 1 is given, alpha 1 is given, so that is why using that alpha sorry, a1 value is given, the b bit, so that is why